guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a luxury Christmas gift guide. I use the word luxury a little bit loosely because everything that I'm showing you is between $50 and $400. I've got a lot of ideas depending on how much you want to spend or if you just want to treat yourself. The first thing that I have here is from Urban Decay and you can pick it up at Mecca. This is the Urban Decay Holiday Heat selection of goodies. It comes with the eyeshadow primer, the Naked Heat Petite, the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion, also the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is $92. The best thing about it is you get such a good range of the cult favorites. So eyeshadow primer, the Naked Petite Heat is such a good eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful formulation. Their eye pencils are meant to be just glorious, and I love the All Nighter Setting Spray. It is one of my favorites. This would definitely be any girl's dream to get this on Christmas Day. The next thing that I want to mention is the Lancome Genifique. I recently went to an event where this was gifted to me and I am so grateful because this is a splurge item, like liquid gold for your skin. It would be a definite splurge for someone on Christmas Day or as a present in general. It does retail at $99. This product has been formulated to boost visible signs of youthfulness and to help skin's recovery during day and night. Your skin is meant to look smoother and brighter within 7 days. I've gone to quite a few Lancome events and Lara, the director of makeup for Lancome, has used this like every time and she swears by it. It is her ride or die. I do have a few other skincare items and the Eve Lom cleanser is just a global craze. This is a best-selling cleanser and this actually comes in the cutest packaging for Christmas. So you pull it out and we have 4 different sized cleansers, all from a little travel size to pretty much a jumbo size. It does come with the 4 muslin cloths as well, which you are meant to use when you do use the cleanser. So this type of cleanser is one that you put on your face and then you use a warm muslin cloth to take it off. Now this is a very, very luxurious item. If someone is into their skincare and knows all the brands, they will know this brand and they will know this product. But I just wanted to share it with you because the packaging is just so gorgeous. Now this one does retail at $286. Safe to say this kind of product would last you a very long time as well. And it's great if you do travel frequently because it does come in the little travel size as well. So next I have some watches. Now these are by Daniel Wellington, who have kindly sponsored this video. These watches are gorgeous, not to mention the packaging. So this is a little gift set and then this is a watch by itself. I'll open it up and show you. So this gift set is $367. It comes perfectly packaged, it looks amazing, and it comes with a watch and then a little bangle as well. This watch is the Melrose Rose Gold with the white face. Okay, so this is the watch and the bracelet on. They look absolutely stunning. If you're not a lover of rose gold, they do also have silver. Now the silver watch comes in at $209, but I do have a coupon code for you guys. You can use the code CrystalXmas to save 15% off of your order. Whether you're buying a gift for yourself or your family, friends, I think a watch is a really beautiful piece, especially if you're wanting to spend that bit of extra money. You can get such a beautiful piece at Daniel Wellington and you know it's going to come gift wrapped as well. So I guess the main question is rose gold or silver. Now if you weren't into the metal mesh bands, they definitely do have a wide range of leather and fabric bands available on their website, as well as different colored faces, and just in general you can change up the look of your watch by changing out the bands. They're a really lovely watch and such a special gift for Christmas. The next thing I want to mention as a gift is the Clarisonic Mia Fit. This one retails for $315. This is known for being a skin game changer. If you haven't heard of it before, basically it's a cleansing brush. So you use it after you've taken off your makeup and you use it with cleanser and just apply it on your face. This is what the device looks like, and you just turn it on like this and then you just pop your cleanser on. You just move it around your face in circular motions. It does have 2 different speed settings, so one for delicate skin and then one for normal skin. Use it for either 60 seconds or 80 seconds depending on how much you want to give your skin a deep clean. I've got another makeup product. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked. This is sold out online, but you might might still be able to pick it up in stores. This one came out from Mecca in their holiday release. This is a very sought after product in the makeup world. It looks absolutely beautiful. I personally love Hourglass powders. I think that they're divine. I've not tried any of their blushes, so I'm very excited to try that. I love their bronzer. It's definitely my favorite bronzer. Now this palette is $117, but keep in mind if you were to buy the powder, just one of them full size, so just probably a little bit less than 4 of the powders, but that's around $80, I believe. You're getting so much value and you get to try a little bit of everything as well. The powders don't show up too much when you do swatch them, but it's more about how you use them. These two you would use to set your face to give that glow from within, and then a beautiful bronzer. Got a mix of 2 blushes and then this beautiful highlight here, which is showing up beautifully in the swatches. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I have some slides to show you next. Now these are by Sappho Sandals. They are so luxurious. They come with their own dust bag. Now these ones are available online. I'll have everything listed down below. These are made in Greece and they are 100% leather. You can just smell it as soon as you bring them out. They come in the tan or the black. Their price is $279, but you are paying for such good quality. They are a bit firm to begin with, but I have been told that they will soften up and they will mold to the shape of my feet. I am a size 35 for reference. This is a really small shoe, obviously. But yeah, I just wanted to mention those as a beautiful gift, and especially if you're in Australia, summer coming up, I think I'm gonna live in these. Okay, the last product that I want to mention is this NARS lip kit. Now it comes in a box like this, but basically it has 4 of the matte lip crayons. This is called the Manic Lip Kit and it retails for $66. It does come with this really cool bag. So the colors that it comes with is Vicious, Bondage, Spike, and Chaos. These NARS matte lip cream pencils are so beautiful. They're so creamy. They're really, really comfortable on the lips. They're just a beautiful product. They're a luxurious product. So there's my last gift idea. So I hope that that's given you some Christmas gift ideas for your loved ones. All the best with your Christmas shopping, and please do remember that it is what comes from the heart. Don't think that you need to put a price tag on anything that you give for Christmas this year or any year. Just remember that it's important to be with your friends and family. I just wanted to do a little showcase of some beautiful gift ideas because I know how much they can really help you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.